standard input-output devices. Whenever we are performing the reading and writing operation, we used fopen, which is actually setting the file pointer to refer to the file. And most of the operating system, they have predefined pointers to the 3 standard files. And in order to access these pointers, we need not to open them again and again with fopen. So these standard file pointers are like this. stdin, this is for standard input device. stdout, this is for standard output device. stderr, this is for standard error device. So this statement, which is ch, which is getting f get c from stdin, stdin is reading a character from the keyboard rather than a file. So we can use this statement without the use of fopen or fclose. Then most of the operating system, they provide standard file pointers like these stdprn, the standard prn printing, this is for printing device. This is stdaux, this is for standard auxiliary device, which is the serial port. So let us see the program. It reads a file from the disk and it will print it on the printer. So this is printing the file contents on printer. This is stdio.h. We have a file pointer, we have a character variable. Now we are opening fopen, this poem.txt in read mode. If it is not opening, we raise some issue. Otherwise, we get C or get a character from fp, check it for EOF, and just fput c ch2 standard printing. So this is how it prints directly to the printer. So this statement fput c ch2 stdprn, it writes a character which is read from the file directly to the printer. So we have opened the file on the disk, we didn't open stdprn, the printer. So standard files and their use of redirection, we will be talking about them shortly. Just note that these all standard file pointers, they are defined in stdio.h, so it becomes necessary that you include this file in order to use these standard file pointers.